It's raining out there, but tomorrow we're gonna start to bring in some timbers into here. Got our shop space set up. Got our tables. We modified one to fit our bandsaw.
It's a little shorty. Look at this guy.
Yeah, ain't that cute?
Look at that.
Yeah, kick the tires, why don't you? Kick in some steps, will you?
Would you just look at it?
But we got our compact little tool area set up. Almost set up.
75% there.
I'm thinking more.
We still got another half wall. We have another half wall to do.
Oh yeah, that's right. We still got a section right here that's gonna be kind of similar to this.
It's gonna be neat closing it off with our timbers.
Yeah, and then we're gonna have a stack of timbers here, and all along this wall here.
And
Hey Matt, do you want an ice cream sandwich?
sure. That's not good.
So, got the first 2 timbers in.
Give you a little home. And we're gonna have this go all the way up.
Stack all the way up and all the way in there. And it'll be an interesting day. Good thing we don't have any rain for a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all feel it? Oh.
Timbers for the lean-to, stacked and stickered. Gonna start drying them out a little bit so we can start hacking away. So, kind of the space that we're working with. Not very big, but we'll make it work. Still got a few more tools to bring in. Some more equipment stuff. Here's a little tool shack. How are you?
Sharpening some chisels.
You're sharpening some chisels. Are you?
To use them here in a little bit.
Our shop space is a bit tight. We are going to utilize some of our sawmill port. Stacking some of the purlins. We got 18 of them in here. Got to bring in another 18 to try to save some space, have more working space down at the shop. But things are coming together, orchestrating everything. It's working out with the good Lord's help. Loading up another 18. Snow is starting to come in, getting colder. How you doing, Matt? Hanging in there? Look at these, Matt, how big are these mounds of snow? This is like snowbanks just on the road.
2.5 sizes of these.
Yeah, they're like 9 feet tall. I mean, flip on the big bar.
Big bar, lovely.
This is great. I mean, absolutely great, wonderful. Our neighbor said that this is a little bit on the, more side of snow than they're used to seeing. And February is usually the heavier month, and we're, only in January. Our poor neighbor, she's got a tough driveway. She has to park at the bottom because it's just, I hope we can help fix that driveway in the summer. Anyways, our neck of the woods. Well, we got a super pleasant surprise from our neighbor. Our neighbor swung by with some heavier equipment, and look at this. Matt is gonna pull in. That's our original building pad, and he cleared it out. My goodness. Look at all that snow. Look at this. This is such a huge help. This is unbelievable. Thank you, Sam, so much. Oh my gosh, seriously, this just made our entire week. Crazy! He even did a little walkway to our trailer. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Here, look how tall these snowbanks are. Matt, can you hold this so they can get an idea of how big these snowbanks are? I'm gonna go out there.
Thank you, Sam.
That's crazy. Thank you, Sam.